Hey, welcome to Mindify Chat. My name is Mark. I'm founder of Mindify AI, the builder of Mindify Chat. So today we're going to share about what we have built recently in Mindify AI and what we could offer to our customer and our user to really learn their new code base faster and code better. So now you're seeing right here is a product page. This is just a landing page or like an intro page when you get into the chat, Mindify Chat first. And before you get started, I'll just sign out right now for our account. So before you sign in, here's an intro page. But because our product is context aware, we need to understand your code base first. So we need to index your repository. So like you have to log in order to use this functionality. So let's log in. So you can create an account here, right over here. So we are working on the investigation of some of the problem with authentication, but if it doesn't work, you can reset the password after you sign up for the Mindify Chat, and everything will works. Now let's log into our application first. Now we can choose our Premier account and the password. Here we go. So once it's ready, then we can select the repository that we need to index. So like going to account setting page, and we need to set our repository name and access token. And this will be stored in a secure database where our application only uses to index our repository. So we can index the repository going to GitHub. For example, I'm defaulting is product Mindify Chat, and we also can index this in report to improve, like to actually help us develop product. So we can copy and paste account names and also the repo name as well, and copy and paste that personal access token, and we'll store it into our secure system. And once it's ready, we can open a new chat. So once it's ready, you can start from just like, for example, you're using Copilot or a ChatGPT. It's pretty simple. It can really straightforward and get started with using a product. So for example, you can ask how to get started with repository. You could provide a brief explanation about what does this repository doing. Okay, so what it does in the background is actually indexing the application, and later on it will have a complete answer based on the context of the repository. So for example, how to actually for example, can retrieve certain part of code within from our system. So for example, could you retrieve like index.tsx code from the repo? And even you're not prompted in a very sophisticated manner, we still can retrieve information very well because we have our system help you to design prompt better. So we have an index page that we use to actually develop this product. And we can also ask for where to find this page. It will provide you with a link or suggestion location for you to locate this script for this project. Wait a moment. Yeah, source app index.txt. It's actually follows structure of Nest.js framework. So okay, cool. So let's work on a, for example, an example demonstration is called README generation. Please generate a simple README for this repository. And we're starting doing that. We're structurally understand and the context of the repo and provide the best result for you. So it's now ready. So we have Mindify Chat, install, run dev, and contributing, acknowledgement, and so forth. And that's basically, yeah. Can you make it longer? We can make it longer. Then we can have like much detailed explanation to how to actually do that. By the way, we're actually improving and optimizing the backend, and so that our whole system will actually respond faster in the coming development iteration. And if you have any question or any kind of like request for the feature, feel free to click the support button below, and we'll directly link you to the email application you're using, and actually you can ask question or any support ticket from this email to the dedicated support email address for our company, which is support@mindifyai.dev. And that's basically what we are developing right now for our user, for our customers. If you have any question or any potential use case, or you're just simply interested in this application, feel free to sign out the waitlist down below, or you can check out our website at www.mindifyai.dev to check out more. Thank you.